Y'all see that Lipper Army? We on Brown Street.
Brown dog, brown.
Let's go get them brown dogs.
Yeah, dog. Lipper Army.
We're at a location here, and we're gonna put the drone up in the air. And we're gonna go ahead and try to scout what's around us. We want to fish over in the creek over here. The access points kind of feel a little weird, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the drone ready. Put it up in the air. We're gonna do some recon to see what's available. I'm gonna fly over there and see if we can get access to that thing over there without getting my drone shot out the air. And we'll see what we come up with. So stay tuned. Put some waders on.
Yeah, dog, Lipper Army. Look where we at. Look behind. We in a pile of mulch.
And another one.
A whole bunch around here. Gotta get 1 foot in, 1 foot out, shake it all around. Creek right there, bend. Look at the creek bend. They're about to stop right over there too. That's later, but I think we're gonna get in on this backslide burner right here.
Yeah,
we're gonna get it, dog. We're gonna get it, right?
It's about to happen. It's about to happen.
I told you to show me where he was sitting.
Nice. Take
Let's go! Hey y'all, whoa, let's see if I can get the hold on. First trout of the day. Let's get it. We on here. Say hello. Welcome to the Jay Johnson experience. Ah, he tried to catch me.
He's kind of bad looking.
You wanna put him back?
I don't know. No, you can keep him. He's big. He just looks mangled.
We can catch another one.
Yeah, catch another one.
They about to drop. Yeah, we're gonna put this one back.
There he goes. My dog.
Let's go.
Yeah.
That's what we out here for, man. I got another one. Come on up here, dog. This is hey, right here. As it's coming around this thing, they sitting right here.
Same thing, egg you got on?
Yes, sir.
I got a white one like that.
Just tossing like here, and just as it's bouncing here, you'll get hit somewhere in this area. They just chilling. Can't hit already, right here. As soon as it gets right there. Like it's like rock ticking, and then one of them will grab it, and then they'll let the rocks hit it. Oh, try to pull the pole out of my hand. But see, when they hit the salmon egg, you can't. It sucks because it breaks. I mean, it's real soft and moldy, and they pull it off every time they hit it. We were out somewhere and some guy said, you know what I catch them on all the time? Salmon eggs. I said, yo, I got some in my bag. So when we wasn't catching them, I said, you know what, I'm gonna try it. I just want to see. There it goes, got one. Salmon egg, yes.
I'm doing, man.
Ah, he just spit it. Yeah, man. He said, I catch them all the time on salmon eggs. I said, no way. So I pulled these out and now they're almost gone because they actually did work.
Set her up, Sean.
Huh?
Set her up.
Oh.
First bite I just had. All right, boys.
All right, it's on now. Let's go. Oh, I got him.
Nice one.
Decent. Decent. Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. We get it. Thank you. Yeah, you just go in. Adios, man. Oh, he went upside down.
I just saw it here.
I
Yeah.
was wondering.
No, we pretty much stayed closer to Stroudsburg.
Who showed up?
Okay. My dog is on. We gotta do one quick tighter drag.
Again? So they all moved down then.
Maybe one drag quick more.
You need that?
Oh, it's nice.
Right, it's right there. Oof.
Oh yeah, he got me. Maybe don't click the drag, dog.
Yeah, I wouldn't mess with that drag. Oof. Wow. Put on a show for you. I'll try to get behind it. Oh, he saw that net. Nope. Let's keep it in the water. All right, I'm coming up behind you.
The dog got a big one.
Got him. He ain't going nowhere, dog. We got you, big dog. We not doing that. Let's go.
Let's go, my dog.
That's a big one right there, yeah.
Oh yeah, hold on.
Give me this fan, boy. Give me this
Yeah, hold on.
Oh, getting a hit on the power bait. On the power bait, dog. Yeah, I got him. On the power bait, dog. I wanted to see if that was gonna work. Yeah, man. Ain't a big one. Oh, okay. Come on, dog. Get over here. Huh? Right. Come on, boy. Let's go. Come on, my boy. Right on the edge of the lip, too. Yes, sir. Right on the edge of the lip with power bait.
Power bait?
Yeah, power bait. Okay. And we were almost done, dog. Let me finish, and then you can get out the water. Or get back in the water. Let me finish. Strong as hell. There you go. All right, buddy. Let's get you out of here. Later, buddy. You getting a lick?
Yo, yesterday? Huh? I got a 25-inch brown dog.
You should.
Oh, it was you. Oh, you had the thing on.
I'll tell you right now, that trout that you showed me a picture of, you should have had that thing mounted.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, that's nice.
Oh, it was massive. It was.
I'm gonna tell you right now, I only see like one of those a year.
Wow.
That one you should have had mounted.
That's crazy.
It was a natural.
That
Yeah.
thing was absolutely.
It was beautiful. It was beautiful.
Yeah, I love it up here, man. I really do.
Listen, we're gonna start putting coal.
Start putting what?
Start putting coal. Anybody out of Northampton and Bucks County, we're gonna start charging.
Wow. Wow.
Jersey?
Wow.
He's gonna pull a jersey on us.
I had a truck. There was an accident on 8.
Oh, we on.
Yeah, I was wondering. It's a little late.
Yeah, this, I'm telling you. Yeah, salmon egg. It's a nice one, though. Yeah. Maybe. We'll see. I haven't seen it yet.
Here we go, boys. Here comes the fish.
There's my J dog. We got a good one. He's got a good one. He's gonna play slow.
Yeah.
That good?
Yes.
Oh, that's a good one. Yeah, that goes on the stringer. Yo, let the drag go. Let the drag go.
I am.
Screaming like a little girl, like it ran away from the parents and got lost. Come on. Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, he's not moving. He's just sitting in the current.
That's a good one. J dog got it.
Salmon eggs, dog. I'm telling you. Up here, this working. It's working, dog.
That's a good one, dog. Let it go. Let it go. Oh.
It's bigger than the one earlier.
Good one.
Yo, I can't miss the truck.
I know. I'm about to start filming it soon.
I need this fish, though. I need this. This is my picture fish, man. I need it. I have no leverage on him for right now.
No. Let him run if you gotta run. You know how they. You gotta get him out of the current, man.
Right, that's what I'm saying. Why am I dragging that time? Right.
Coming in now, coming up.
He's still right. He still got power. I have no power on him right now. If I pull,
No,
there we go.
Yeah.
I don't want to rip it out of his mouth, so just holding him. He coming in now. He's tiring. Oh, he's taking a run. Let's make sure that drag is loose.
I'll be able to film it. I think.
I don't know what to do. I'm just holding him right now. I want to can't muscle him, and he's just sitting right there. But I don't want him to go out there, 'cause I can't do nothing with him out there. Gotta play.
Walking to the bank.
Yeah, I think so. I gotta play my drag. Oh, he getting out of the current, and he doing a head shake. I still ain't got him in yet. Well, welcome back.
Yellow.
Right, that's it.
I don't know.
He's right there.
Oh, I see him now.
Oh my God. I have nothing. All right, I think we're gonna bring him in. I think he's tired now, so I think we got him. I think he's done. There go the buckets. Oh my God, you see that net?
See that net they go around?
Man, this drag heavy. Oh, he coming here, he coming. You might got him. Got him.
It's like getting in there.
Let's go! Ah!
That's a view, dog.
Oh, let's take it up there.
Look at that
Oh
size,
my. Yes, sir.
Beauty, lipper on me. That's Jay
Yes,
right
sir.
there. There's Jay, dog, in the face. No, I'm kidding.
Always, dog. This is why you don't take him fishing with you. You see this? He was just laying down.
Oh,
He was-
spit it.
He was just laying down and catching fish. All
Side.
right, so
He's just, he's not that big. It's like your guys' fish.
right.
But
he's in current,
Probably put
yeah.
in here for the first stocking. So he got them puppy muscles now. That's what I call it.
He's so calm. Careful, dog. Let me
Good one.
slide back. Good.
Puppy was snagged.
Yeah, you thought you were snag? You was like, yeah, my snag. Oh, there you go, right there. Yeah.
When they see that net, they
They
go
out,
run.
right? They gonna go.
Oh my God.
Yeah, no swimming.
Worth over a
No
fish.
swimming.
Who makes rocks like this? I mean,
Who
come
makes
on.
rocks like this? All right, my dog.
Come right into you.
Whoa. Oh no.
He's good.
Got him.
The fish just jump behind. That's my
That's crazy.
Thank you, my son. You got him? Lipper on me. Getting it in.
Lipper Army.
Yeah. Dog, yeah. Right there.
Dogs.
Hey, yo, Lipper on me. Johnson experience in the world, people. I'm going to show you how to cut a trout, clean it in like 3 cuts or so. Something like that. So this is what we're going to do now. We got some trout. Don't matter what kind you got. And we're going to cut halfway. Just get past that that little what's it called, backbone, and that little neck right there. Once you get through that, leave it hanging. All right. And then we're gonna cut whatever you want to call this little thing, poo poo pee pee, whatever you want to see. Cut that off. Then cut up the stomach. Get it good. Once you got like that, usually people clean the guts out, but what we're gonna do, what you ate, is just pull the rest of the head off, and it pulls all the guts out. Yeah, liver army. And so, what we're gonna do now is, now you got that blood in the vertebrae. Take your thumb, and then just pop it like it's hot, and push it up in there, and then you do the rest in the sink. Just rinse it out. And then you should be good. You can, get a toothbrush if you want to get in there. People just can toothbrush, but that's just blood. No blood never hurt nobody. And that's how you do it, Liver Army World Johnson Experience. Get it in.